Let's start with the foot rotations. First, the right foot rotated in clockwise direction, and then the left foot rotated in clockwise direction 6 times, and then anti-clockwise 6 times. Now place your hands on your knees and bend it. Do it for 10 times and then rotate it first in clockwise and then in anti-clockwise direction for 10 counts. This will activate your knee joints and you will experience there is no knee pains going forward. Now, lift your foot one by one from the heel and stretch your entire body. Repeat it for 6 counts. Let's move on to rotating our waist clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. 6 times clockwise, 6 times anti-clockwise. We are activating all our joints from bottom to top. Now the side stretches. Lift your one hand and bend towards the opposite side. Repeat it for 10 counts. Activate your waist muscles, oblique muscles. Let's move to shoulder rotations. Hands lift towards your side and rotate it in clockwise direction and then in anti-clockwise direction. Feel that stretch. Now let's move it forward 10 times and backward 10 times. See, my hands are parallel to the ground, stretched completely, and all my fingers are open. Now let's open and close. Fold your hands and open it and close it. Feel that stretch and the movement in your chest muscles and the upper back muscles. Now open up your hands fully, face front and open it. Close it, look towards the ceiling, breathe in, inhale properly. This increases your oxygen supply to the lungs. Do it 10 times and feel that openness in your lungs. Now let's move to neck stretches for cervical pain. Bend it side to side, towards your right and towards your left, and do it for 10 counts. Now semicircle rotations, half circles. Activate your thyroid gland. These exercises are very effective. Let's move to Surya Namaskar. Start with Namanasana. Take both your hands back, bend your back, Hastottanasana. Inhale properly. Now exhale, go down, forward bending, Padottanasana. Take your left leg back, kneel down, back straight, look up, Ashwasanchalan. Inhale, exhale, look towards your knees, grounded to earth. Put your knees down, your chest in between your hands and chin down. Ashtang Namaskar, Bhujangasana. Back to Adho Mukhasana. Bring your left leg front, back straight, Ashwasanchalan. Inhale. Exhale, bring your other leg front, Padottanasana, Hastottan, Namanasana. We will repeat it one more time with proper inhalation, normal breathing, Hastottan. Inhale, exhale, go down, Padottanasana. Right leg back now, Ashwasanchalan. Inhale, exhale, Adho Mukhasana, Parvatasana. Knee down, chest in between the hands, Ashtang Namaskar, normal breathing. Inhale, Cobra pose. Exhale, Adho Mukhasan. Right leg front, Ashwasanchalan. Inhale, exhale, Padottanasana. Inhale, Hastottan. Normal breathing, Namanasana. Now let's do the inchworm. Put your hands down and walk with your hands front and come to the Dandasana, your body parallel to the ground in straight line and look front. Stay there for at least 20 to 30 seconds. If you are not able to, then for 10 seconds initially. Walk back. Repeat it one more time. Put your hands down. Normal breathing. Squeeze your stomach in. Now come back. Now when you go down, just take your hips back. Don't go forward. First form a hinge in the hip and then go down. Come back to Dandasana. Bring your right leg front and take your right hand up. Stretch your body completely and feel the stretch in your thigh muscles, your hamstrings, quadriceps. Repeat it from the other side. Feel the stretch in the waist muscles and in your neck. It's stretching your entire body. Stay in Adho Mukhasan for some time. Come back and repeat it for 2 more times. Breathe normally. Inhale, exhale. While you are doing this position,
I am the light of my soul.
This is called as the lizard pose.
I am bountiful. I am bliss.
Breathe normally. Come to Adho Mukhasan. Now walk forward with your toes and do up and down. Feel that stretch in your calf muscles. It's very good exercise for your knee joints as it's activating all your muscles and the nerves surrounding your knees. Now lift your legs one by one and look towards your knees. Go down as much as possible. Stretch your body completely. Repeat it for 6 counts. Lift the legs one by one. Always feel the changes that are happening inside the body. Now let's do the Balasana, child pose. It is one of the most effective relaxing exercises in yoga that calms your mind and relaxes your body completely. Stay there for some time. Come back. Now lie down on your stomach and let's do the Cobra pose, Bhujangasana. A very good exercise for your lower back pain. It releases all the tension from the back muscles, relaxes your back muscles. Inhale as you go up, exhale as you go down, and repeat it for 10 counts. Now take your hands forward, stretched front, and form a W as you get up from the top. It's an advanced form of Bhujangasana where you are working on your upper back muscles. Inhale as you go up, exhale as you go down, and repeat it for 6 counts. Now let's lie down on our back and do the Markatasana. Fold your knees, your arms towards the side of your chest, and take your legs towards the right and look in opposite direction. This is one of the best exercises in yoga to get relief from back pain. You practice it daily and you will see the results within 15 to 30 days. There won't be any back pains. The second form of the Markatasana, lift your leg and bring it and touch it to the opposite hand. Feel that relaxation in the back muscles when you are stretching your body completely, you are stretching your spine. Repeat it for 6 counts on each side. These are very quick morning routine exercises that will help you really keep fit and healthy with no aches and pains. Now let's do the Setubandh Asana, the dynamic bridge pose. Lift your hips up, exhale and bring it down, inhale. As you go up, exhale. As you bring your butts down, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Repeat it for 10 counts. Now let's touch our heels with our hands and activate our obliques. It's a very good exercise to reduce fat from your side muscles, from the obliques, from waist. Repeat it for 10 counts. Now let's relax in Savasana, the relaxing pose in yoga that calms your mind and relaxes your body fully. While you are in this pose, say positive affirmations to your brain. I am confident, I am fit, I am healthy, I nourish my body with nutritious food. I am confident, I am beautiful. I will have a fabulous day ahead. I feel good, I feel positive. Bring all positive thoughts in mind. Now take a right turn and with the pressure on the hands, get up. Now we will sit in the Siddha Yoni Asana. Take your right foot and put it on your opposite thigh, inner thigh. Left foot on the right thigh. Put your hands on the knees. Keep your back straight and inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Experience your breath. Stay in the present moment. Feel those changes in the body. Now let's do Bhastrika. Form a fist and take your hands up. Open up your fingers completely, palm, and inhale. Bring it down. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. This is a very good exercise for your lungs. It increases the oxygen supply to your lungs. Now, those who don't have high BP problems can do it in fast motion. Otherwise, you have to, if the BP problems, you have to do it in slow motion. Let's move to Kapalbhati. This particular pranayam activates your pineal glands, improves your focus, concentration, and improves your digestive system. We have to do forceful exhalation from our nostrils. Breathe out from nostril and your stomach will move inside automatically. Repeat it for 100 to 200 counts daily. Do it for at least 3 to 4 to 5 minutes as per your time and convenience. Just ensure that your stomach is empty while you do Kapalbhati. You can increase the number of strokes and do it in fast motion if you are not a BP patient. Those with the high BP should do it 1 second, 1 stroke in very slow motion. Now let's apply the Mahabandh, Mool Bandh, Udyan Bandh and Jalandhar Bandh. You have to inhale and exhale out completely. Squeeze your stomach in. Apply the chin lock, put your chin to the chest and stay there for some time. Repeat it for 3 counts. It's a very good exercise for getting rid of your tummy fat, the stubborn tummy fat. Now let's move on to the butterfly pose. Move your thighs up and down for at least 20 counts and feel that tension getting released from your thigh muscles. Now we will do the Paschimottanasana. Exhale, hold your feet. Try to touch your forehead to the shin bone. The right way of doing the Paschimottanasana is touch your forehead to the shin bone. Now let's get back to the normal pose. Inhale, exhale. Recite the Gayatri Mantra, calm your mind. Feel that calmness, feel that relaxation in your body. Practice it daily. A very quick morning routine, 15 minutes routine. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with others and comment.